welcome to the first ever episode of the third series on my review show. Right then, as you probably know, I'm going to be reviewing the Lego City 60052, as it says there, cargo train. And there it is, a bit closer. So there are it, so let's go and do the review! You all know and start reviewing the box. So, what does it say? Well, it says Lego 6 of 12, 60052, which is the set number. You see the blue cargo train with the 60052 sticker and the railway symbol, and then black and yellow stripes at the front. And then as we come to the power cables, as some people call them, right there. Okay. And then you get this crane, which is yellow, and it's got a station here, which is red. As you can see, and as we go down, you see a truck that has a cow in it. And then you see a farmer. Then as we go along, you see an Octon down here, petrol. And then you see a forklift truck there. And you see a green truck delivering cargo. Well, cars. The worker is collecting rubbish and loading it onto the cargo truck. And then you see the two people who work on the railway. He drives the train, obviously. Okay. And then at the bottom, it tells you that you get 1 times left hand switch track. You get 8 straight pieces. You get 20 curved pieces, and you get 1 right hand switch track, and that's the front of the box. Right, onto the back of the box. Lego again up here, and then the picture of the box shows you all of the pieces you get there. As we get closer and closer and closer. So then, bag 1 is the green truck. Bag 2 and 3 is the blue cargo train. Bag 4 is those electric things, power cables, you know. And bag 6 is the forklift, the wheelbarrow, and the Octon petrol. And then bag 8 is the yellow crane. To load these power cables, the lift truck, forklift truck, and the wheelbarrow, and the Octon petrol thing. And then first picture, we see the cargo train again with the train driver inside, as you can see. And then you see the yellow crane right there. That's about that. Shows you how you will load and unload cargo. And then right here you see the forklift in action, ready to unload something from the crane where it's been stored. And then you get, well, you see another picture of the green truck with the driver inside, carrying the Octon petrol. Right, moving on. You see the crane lifting up the power cable, and then as we get further down, you see the back of the train with the truck power cables coupled to the cargo train with the yellow crane. With the farmer putting hay, which is inside the wheelbarrow, and is loading that into the truck for the cow to eat or lay on. Anyway, and then you get inside a picture of the inside of the crane where the workers operate it. Okay, and you see the train driver leaning out of the cargo train, which is quite dangerous because it could fall out. And then you see the train driver out of his train, and it's left alone, which robbers can steal and, well, yeah, take it for a joyride. And then here shows you all the other sets. This set, of course, 60052, the train station, 60050, which I reviewed in the last series, and the Lego high-speed passenger train 60051, which I reviewed back in the first series. Right. And at the top of the box, you see the full length of the cargo train, which is a total of 89 centimeters. So, and lastly, I like to mention that this set comes with power functions, as I'll do all the rest of the Lego City sets. And that's what you get. You get the remote control, you get the II receiver, you get the motor, and you get the battery box. Oh, there! That makes your train go backwards and forwards along the track. But the next up is the instructions. Okay, instruction time. So but first, to show you the stickers. Well, this is the sticker sheet you will get, and all the stickers will be on that. I've taken them all off because I've put them on the sets, obviously. The first instruction booklet is a green cargo truck. Okay. I won't go through it all to show you the first page, and the total of pages it has, which is 43, if you can see that. And then that's the back of the booklet. Okay, moving on to booklet 2, which is the cargo train. Okay, it's just a picture of the cargo train and the train driver. Let's move on. It goes through the power function system to you if you are brand new to this system. As well, if you've just started collecting Lego trains, you will need to know all this information, how to make it go and how many batteries you need, because batteries aren't included. And then it gets you started to build the cargo train. Right then. This booklet has a total of, as you can see there, 84 pages. And it shows you different track layouts you can do if you combine the set with others. Like the extension pack, right there, by itself, and with the high-speed passenger train. Okay, that's the second booklet, so let's move on to the third booklet. And here it is. It's the truck with the cow, obviously. And then you get the farmer here. And that's about it, really. And then gets you started to build the truck. And this booklet has a total of 19 pages. Right, on to booklet 4. Shows you how to build them two power cables. Okay, and the flatbed that you put them on. And then go, it starts building there, and then there's it finished, and then it has 24 pages, as you can see there. Right, on to the 5th booklet. It shows you how to build the flatbed, which has the octane petrol, and the forklift right there. And then it starts building again. There's a total of 45 pages, and there it is finished. At the back of the booklet it shows you other Lego sets, themes, as you've got that one, and then this one, which is the police one. And then at the back shows you the train theme again. Okay, on to the 6th and last booklet. The yellow crane. Get you building there, and then this booklet has a total of 70 pages. And it shows you all of the pieces there. And there. And there, and then it advertises Lego City store online. Right. And it advertises the winter theme. Right there, right. That's it for the basic review. Next up, I will be reviewing the Lego bricks. Okay, the actual physical things. Okay, right. So, stay tuned. Hello again, welcome to the main review. Right, in my hands I've got the green truck, as you can probably tell. Underneath me, well, I've got the blue cargo train and its cargo, and next to me right here I've got the yellow crane. This is what could happen. I'm going to review the truck, and then the train, and then cargo each bit, and then last will be the yellow crane. Right, there you have it. The truck. It's got cargo on top, you can see, and it's got the logo right there of the cargo shipment. And then you get a trolley, which goes, if I show you, right there. Okay, at the back you get 2 bins, a grey one and a green one. So when it's your green bin day, just call this guy, as he'll deliver. Well, no, he won't deliver. He'll come to your house and put all his rubbish in his truck and drive away as quick as he can. Right. The guy that I'm talking about is inside this green truck, and there he is. He's trying to be cool, that's why he's wearing sunglasses. Okay. He's wearing a coat, trousers, and it's very basic at back because there's no detail at all. But all the detail is on the coat actually. Nothing else. There's nothing on the coat, on the trousers, and there you have it. So there's your first minifig. You get 4 in the set. 4. Yes, 4. So you put them in there, right? You get 2 doors that open, as you can see, and then just close them. Simple as that. You get 2 wind mirrors, and there you have it. And then the roof just goes back on like that. You get the city logo there, and then you get the license plate 60052, which is the set number. And but up first there's HA. Okay, so that's it for the truck. Let's quickly move on. Right. Now then, the moment we've all been waiting for. Time to do with the review on the train. Right, and there's the front of the train. Right, you get the windows right here. You get a lamp, which you lift up. And you lift it up, you can get out a train driver. Look at that. Right, let's quick do the review on the train driver and then we get back onto the train. Right, there he is. This is a new design of the train uniform in Lego. And at the back of him is got the railway company logo on the back. Okay, so it looks more realistic, more detail, and I think it looks better than the old ones. It's got a red hat too, just in case anything falls on him, because you have to bear in mind of these health and safety issues that you have to go through before it can become a train driver. Anyway, moving on. Before I put the train driver back, I'd just like to say that these doors can open like so, and you can close them back. Okay, this is a diesel engine, as you can tell. Okay, with the engine at back, and that's right. Power functions are inside, and I will show you how you can get them out. Let's pull the roof off, and then you can see the battery box in there. Okay, the II receiver is right there, and the motor is right here. As you can see the wires. Right there. Okay, and that's connected up to the II receiver, and the II receiver is connected up to the battery box, which makes it all go when you've got the batteries. Okay, so I'm put it on. Like that. The only problem with that is it's got a hole right there, a gap, you know, right there, because otherwise you won't be able to open that up if you didn't have that gap there, unfortunately. So that's why there's a gap. There's a red seat where the driver sits and drives train. There's controls, if you can see him in there. Okay. And that is basically it. So then, moving on. to the truck, you get the farmer in here. Look. I don't even have to lift him up. You can see him in there, doing his business. Green hat, red jacket, and he's got green trousers which are linked up to his shoulders. Right, you also get a cow in there. You also get hair. And you get a bucket. And these doors can open. And I've heard that some people have said that in real life, the cow would easily break the fence on this truck because, well, the fence isn't really strong enough to hold back a cow. But there you have it. Okay, moving on. There's the flatbed with the electrical cables. You might see this in America, but certainly not in the UK. Okay, it's got the electrical symbols on them. I think this one's got chains on it, so you can lift it off the flatbed with the crane, which is right there. So that's it for that bit, because there's not much to say about them. And then we'll come to the last flatbed, which has the forklift with another person who works on the railway. She's got earmuffs on, so she doesn't get distracted by all that noise that's going on outside, you know. And then this forklift is red, and there's a little band in it, as you can see, right, and then just lift it off, like, well, it wasn't supposed to fall off like that, but yeah, that's your idea. I'll show you better when I show you the train going around. Right, so just put that back on there. You get a wheelbarrow, which has that in there for you to lift it off the flatbed. And then you've got the Yorkton petrol tube thing. Okay, that's it for the train bit. Now then, for the crane, I'm going to show you me lifting things off this crane when I show you the train going around on the track. But before that, I'm going to review it as it is right now. This goes backwards and forwards. Okay. Makes a strange noise. This goes backwards and forwards. It's like a grabber in the arcades. If you think about it, because it goes like that. Okay. Right then. Here is like a small control system, which the computer controls everything that happens right here. It makes the crane go back and forwards and pick up stuff and that. It's got a yellow seat for the person to just go on the computer, relax, and hopefully not fall asleep. Otherwise, there'll be a lot of complaints about the cargo that day. But it's nice, and you can, if you buy more sets, you can expand this and make it longer and make it go over 2 tracks instead of 1. as I've seen many people do that. But it does cost money, and it's just better off just having one set. Okay, I'll show you more about that when I show you the train go around, which is coming up right now. So thanks for watching this bit, and let's just hope the next bit. Hello again, welcome to the last part of this episode. Right, I'm going to show you the train running around the track, including showing you what the crane can do. Let's turn you over and see what we've got for you. Right then, I've got everything ready. The train's over there, and it's ready to go, I think. But then I'm going to show you how you use this crane. Okay then. Are you ready? And there you have it. Right. This is all the track you get. You get 2 extra curved pieces. You don't need them, but you might need them in the future as you build on your train collection. So there you have it, and stay tuned for the next episode, which is the Lego City 60098 Heavy Oil Train. And hopefully that one will be in better light. So thanks for watching, please subscribe for more, and please share the videos to your friends or family or whoever you like. and people who you don't like too. Okay, bye for now. This review was on the Lego City 6 Part 2 Tiger Train.